Looking for the fuse box in your Ford F-150, 1997 to 1998? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in 1997 to 1998 Ford F-150 is located below and to the left of the steering wheel near the brake pedal, and contains fuses for interior systems such as the radio, dome light, and power windows. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in 1997 to 1998 Ford F-150 manages high-power circuits essential for engine and drivetrain performance, protecting components such as the fuel pump, cooling fans, trailer tow module, and powertrain control module using high-amperage fuses and relays. Primary battery fuse box. The primary battery fuse box in 1997 to 1998 Ford F-150 protects high-current components such as the alternator and starter. The engine mini fuse panel in the 1997 to 1998 Ford F-150 holds small fuses for engine-related parts like sensors and controls. It's a compact box placed in the engine bay. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.